The wildest animals in the world. These 16 animals are considered to be among the wildest in the world. Their sizes vary from very small to very large. Some of these animals attack out of fear, while others do so due to excessive confidence. Some are accustomed to violence, while others cannot control themselves. The interesting part is that the bravest ones are smaller in size compared to the others and have fewer abilities. Don't forget, you must respect all these small wild animals and quickly keep your distance from them. Join zoologist for more. Honey badger. The honey badger is often recognized as one of the wildest animals in the animal kingdom. Despite their small size, these creatures are incredibly fearless and reckless. Honey badgers are known to confront animals much larger than themselves, like lions, just to defend their food or territory. They are also famous for their love of honey, often breaking into beehives to satisfy their craving, even if it means enduring hundreds of painful bee stings. It's not uncommon to find a dead badger inside a beehive, having risked its life for just a taste of honey. You might wonder why honey badgers are rarely seen in zoos. The reality is that their aggressive nature makes them difficult to contain, as they can turn any encounter into a fight for dominance. Their evolutionary adaptations, including thick skin, sharp claws, and a remarkable tolerance to venom, make them nearly invincible. They can even survive bites from venomous snakes. The honey badger's combination of fearlessness, strength, and adaptability truly makes it one of nature's most formidable animals. Hippopotamus. Don't be fooled by the cute and harmless appearance of these large, chubby animals. Despite their seemingly lazy and slow demeanor, hippos are incredibly fast and dangerous. A hippopotamus can charge at a speed of up to 48 kilometers per hour and will aggressively chase down any living creature that invades its territory. Surprisingly, hippos are responsible for the deaths of around 3,000 humans annually, making them one of the deadliest animals in Africa. This might seem strange, considering their primary habitat is in sub-Saharan Africa, where humans don't regularly come into contact with them. One of the most dangerous situations is encountering a mother hippo with her calf. Hippo mothers are extremely protective and will do anything to defend their young from perceived threats. They only give birth every 2 years, making their calves even more precious to them. With their large mouths and strong jaws, hippos can crush almost anything in their way. To stay safe, it's important to keep your distance from these territorial animals, especially near rivers or lakes where they typically reside. Bull shark. One of the most aggressive and dangerous fish in the ocean is the shark, and among them the bull shark stands out with stronger teeth than most other species. These sharks are responsible for the majority of attacks on humans in shallow waters. Bull sharks are not picky eaters and will devour just about anything in their path, including fish, dolphins, and even other sharks. Although humans are not part of their regular diet, they often attack people by accident or out of curiosity, mistaking them for prey. What makes bull sharks particularly terrifying is their adaptability to various environments. Unlike many sharks, bull sharks can thrive in both saltwater and freshwater, making them capable of swimming in rivers, lakes, and even waterlogged streets. Their ability to tolerate a wide range of salinities has allowed them to be found in unexpected places like the Amazon River and Lake Nicaragua. In extreme cases, they have even been spotted swimming in flooded streets during severe storms. This adaptability, combined with their aggressive nature, makes them one of the most feared sharks. Saltwater crocodile. The saltwater crocodile is one of the animals most likely to attack humans, making it a fearsome predator. These massive reptiles, which can grow up to 5 meters or more in length, are one of the few creatures that consider humans as potential prey. Saltwater crocodiles are the longest reptiles on Earth and have mastered the art of camouflage, allowing them to blend seamlessly into their surroundings. They can lie motionless for hours, making it nearly impossible for their prey to detect them. Most of their victims don't realize they're in danger until it's too late. When the crocodile strikes, it uses its incredibly powerful jaws, the strongest of any animal in the wild, to grab its prey. After biting down, it drags the victim into the salt water, where it drowns them. This stealthy and brutal hunting technique makes the saltwater crocodile a highly effective and deadly predator. Their strength, size, and ability to thrive in both saltwater and freshwater environments make them one of the most dangerous creatures humans may encounter. Black Mamba. The black mamba is not only one of the fastest snakes in the world, capable of moving at speeds of up to 20 kilometers per hour, but also one of the most venomous. Just 2 drops of its potent venom are enough to kill a human, and there is no known antidote to counter its effects in time. Once bitten, the victim has little chance of survival, as the death rate without immediate treatment is nearly 100%. Typically, black mambas prey on small mammals and birds, but they have also been known to attack larger prey like parrots and cobras. What makes the black mamba especially dangerous is its aggressive nature, which is often triggered by fear. If it feels threatened, it will attack without hesitation. The arboreal variety of this snake can reach lengths of up to 5 meters. Interestingly, the black mamba gets its name not from the color of its body, which is actually a brownish gray, but from the inky black interior of its mouth, which is exposed when the snake feels threatened or prepares to strike. Cassowary, a type of ostrich. Before launching an attack, the cassowary spreads its wings and feathers to appear larger and more intimidating. This bird, despite being flightless, is incredibly dangerous. It has large, sharp claws on its feet, which it uses to slash at potential threats. There have been cases where cassowaries have attacked and even killed humans with these claws. While it cannot fly, the cassowary is remarkably fast, capable of reaching speeds up to 50 kilometers per hour. Many tourists are fascinated by the majestic and colorful appearance of the cassowary, unaware of the risks of getting too close. Approaching this bird can be highly dangerous, especially during breeding season, as they will aggressively defend their young. Cassowaries are fiercely protective and will not hesitate to attack if they feel threatened. Sadly, all 3 species of cassowary are considered dangerous. For many years, they were not hunted, but today, due to habitat loss and human encroachment, their situation has changed, and they are now more at risk. Killer bee. Killer bees, also known as Africanized honeybees, are infamous for their aggressive behavior and relentless pursuit of intruders. While bees generally attack only when provoked, killer bees take this to an extreme, attacking in large numbers and chasing their targets for kilometers. This collective aggression means that encountering a swarm can result in multiple stings, making them particularly dangerous to both animals and humans. What makes killer bees especially interesting and terrifying is their origin. They were first created in a laboratory in Brazil during an experiment aimed at breeding African bees with European bees. The goal was to produce a hybrid that would yield more honey. However, the outcome was unintended. Instead of a docile, productive species, the researchers accidentally bred bees that were highly aggressive and less efficient in honey production. These hybrid bees eventually escaped into the wild, where they adapted and spread throughout the Americas. Killer bees thrive in warmer climates and can be found in many parts of the United States and South America. Their ability to swarm and their relentless nature make them a significant concern for beekeepers and outdoor enthusiasts alike. Encounters with these bees can lead to serious injury or even death, particularly for individuals allergic to bee stings. Understanding their behavior and habitat is crucial for minimizing risks and ensuring safety when in areas where killer bees are known to exist. Education and awareness are essential for promoting safe interactions with these formidable insects while respecting their role in the ecosystem. Wolverine. Wolverines are the largest members of the weasel family, and despite their small size, they are known for their incredible strength and ferocity. Weighing around 20 kilograms, These tough little mammals have earned a reputation for being fearless and highly capable predators. Though they might appear cute at first glance, wolverines are anything but tame. They are strong enough to challenge and even fend off much larger animals, such as adult bears and wolves, in fierce territorial battles. One of the reasons for their exceptional abilities is their specially adapted feet, which function like snowshoes. These broad feet prevent them from sinking into deep snow, allowing them to move quickly and efficiently across snowy landscapes, a crucial advantage when dealing with larger predators. Wolverines are native to the rugged wilderness of the Rocky Mountains, where they thrive in some of the harshest environments on Earth. Their resilience and adaptability enable them to survive in extremely cold temperatures and rough terrains, making them one of the toughest animals in the wild. Wild boar. The wild boar is infamous for its unpredictable and aggressive temperament. These animals are highly determined and can be extremely combative, sometimes even fighting with their own kind to achieve their goals. Their tough and resilient nature helps them survive in environments where they are constantly being watched by predators such as wolves, tigers, and humans. Despite their aggressive behavior, wild boars are also known to be very intelligent and adaptable animals, which allows them to thrive in a wide range of habitats. Obtaining a hunting license for wild boars is surprisingly easy in many places due to their growing population and the problems they can cause in farming areas. Wild boars breed quickly and prolifically, mating as soon as they enter new territories. They are highly territorial and will defend their space fiercely against any threats, often engaging in aggressive battles with other animals or humans. Wild boars can be found across the globe, from the forests of Asia and Europe to parts of North and South America, as well as Africa, where they continue to thrive in diverse ecosystems. Malayan Sun Bear. The Malayan Sun Bear is one of the smallest yet fiercest bear species in the world. They typically grow to a height of 1 to 1.5 meters. These bears get their name from the distinctive, sun-like marking on their chest. Despite their small size compared to other bears, sun bears possess unusually long teeth relative to their body size, which makes them particularly formidable. Sun bears are known for their unpredictable behavior and can attack humans without provocation. They are extremely protective of their young, ensuring their safety at all costs. This ferocity, combined with their solitary nature, makes them dangerous despite their small stature. Interestingly, studies of sun bear behavior have shown that they tend to be monogamous, which is uncommon in many bear species. These unique creatures are native to the tropical forests of Southeast Asia, where they are well adapted to climbing trees and feeding on fruits, insects, and honey. Despite their small size, they play an essential role in maintaining the balance of their ecosystems. Baboon. Baboons are considered some of the most aggressive and fearsome mammals on the planet. These highly social primates have complex group dynamics, often engaging in fierce battles both with other animals and amongst themselves. When baboons feel threatened, they bare their sharp teeth as a warning and charge at potential threats, showing no hesitation in defending themselves. In addition to defending against predators, male baboons are known to fight each other over dominance within their groups, sometimes to the point of killing one another in brutal confrontations. Male baboons also display dominance over females in their troops. They often guard female baboons closely and will bite them as punishment if they wander too far from the territory. This behavior can be particularly intimidating because male baboons are nearly twice the size of females, making them physically overpowering. Despite their aggressive nature, baboons are highly intelligent and adaptable creatures. They thrive in diverse environments, from the savannas to forests in Africa, and have been known to raid crops and villages in search of food, demonstrating their resourcefulness and resilience in the wild. Gray wolf. Gray wolves are highly efficient pack hunters, renowned for their ability to take down large prey such as moose and elk when hunting cooperatively. Their hunting strategies are fascinating. Wolves will often use a combination of stamina, teamwork, and communication to surround and isolate their target. During a hunt, wolves become ruthless, often beginning to eat their prey even before it has fully succumbed to their attack. While wolves primarily target large, wild animals for sustenance, it is notable that around 65% of wolf deaths result from territorial conflicts with other wolves. This statistic is surprising, especially considering that wolves are social creatures, living in close-knit packs where they share responsibilities and protect each other fiercely. In their social structure, the alpha pair usually leads the pack, and their role is crucial in maintaining order and cohesion among the members. Territorial battles can be intense and sometimes deadly, highlighting the importance of maintaining their hunting grounds. Gray wolves are found across North America, Europe, and Asia, and they thrive in a variety of habitats, from forests and tundras to grasslands. Their adaptability and strong family bonds make them remarkable survivors in some of the harshest environments on Earth, reinforcing their status as apex predators. Rhinoceros. Rhinoceroses are remarkable creatures known for their immense strength and size, but they possess surprisingly poor eyesight, which contributes to their often aggressive behavior. This visual limitation can cause rhinos to react out of fear, confusion, and panic, leading them to charge at other animals or perceived threats. Consequently, the number of rhino-related deaths among their own kind is alarmingly high. Studies indicate that around 50% of male rhinos and 35% of females die due to injuries sustained in fights over territory or mates. It's essential not to blame rhinos for their aggressive behavior, as they have long been the target of poachers seeking their unique horns. These horns are highly valued in some cultures for their supposed medicinal properties and as status symbols, making rhinos prime targets for illegal hunting. The demand for rhino horns has significantly contributed to the decline of rhino populations worldwide, leading to the critical endangerment of species like the Asian rhino. Historically, the white rhino was believed to be completely extinct. However, a small population was rediscovered and relocated to a sanctuary in Africa. Conservation efforts for rhinos are vital, as these magnificent animals play an essential role in maintaining the health of their ecosystems. By grazing on vegetation, they help shape their habitats, which benefits various other species. Protecting rhinos not only ensures their survival, but also contributes to preserving biodiversity within their environments. Bengal Tiger. The Bengal tiger is one of the most iconic and powerful big cats, known for its striking appearance and intense territorial behavior. These magnificent creatures are highly territorial, fiercely defending their home ranges from intruders, including other tigers and humans. Bengal tigers typically attack only those animals or humans that encroach on their territory. Their territorial instincts are deeply ingrained, and they use scent markings and vocalizations to communicate their boundaries to others. Interestingly, these tigers only resort to scavenging when they are ill or unable to hunt effectively. Human activities have had a devastating impact on the Bengal tiger population. Over the past century, habitat destruction due to deforestation, urbanization, and agriculture has reduced their natural habitats significantly. Poaching and illegal wildlife trade have also led to drastic declines in their numbers. Alarmingly, out of the 8 subspecies of tigers, 3 went completely extinct in the 20th century, and the remaining species are also at risk of extinction. Bengal tigers primarily inhabit the dense forests and grasslands of India, but are also found in smaller populations in Bangladesh, Nepal, and Bhutan. As solitary animals, they rely on their exceptional hunting skills to take down prey such as deer, wild boar, and sometimes even smaller carnivores. Their remarkable adaptations, including powerful muscles and keen senses, make them effective hunters. conservation efforts are critical to ensuring the survival of the Bengal tiger and preserving its habitat, as these apex predators play an essential role in maintaining the ecological balance of their environments. Protecting these iconic animals not only helps preserve biodiversity, but also fosters the health of the ecosystems they inhabit, benefiting numerous other species as well. Tasmanian Devil. The Tasmanian Devil, native to the island of Tasmania in Australia, is a unique and fascinating marsupial known for its distinctive appearance and fierce temperament. Adult Tasmanian devils typically weigh between 7 to 10 kilograms, making them one of the largest carnivorous marsupials in the world. These creatures are notorious for their unpredictable behavior. When they feel threatened, they display their sharp teeth and emit a series of loud, unsettling vocalizations, which can be quite intimidating. Tasmanian devils are highly aggressive and will fight with almost any animal they encounter, including larger predators. Their strong jaws and powerful teeth allow them to crush bones and consume nearly every part of their prey. Interestingly, these animals can also exhibit aggression towards their own kind, leading to fierce fights, especially during mating season or when competing for food. Despite their tough exterior, Tasmanian devils face significant threats in the wild, primarily due to habitat loss and a transmissible cancer known as devil facial tumor disease, DFTD. This disease has devastated their populations, leading to significant declines in their numbers. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these unique marsupials and their habitats, as they play an important role in the ecosystem as scavengers. Protecting the Tasmanian devil is crucial not only for biodiversity, but also for maintaining the balance of their ecological niche. Through breeding programs and habitat restoration, efforts are being made to ensure the survival of this iconic species for future generations. Cape buffalo. The Cape buffalo, native to sub-Saharan Africa, is a powerful and formidable animal known for its strength and social behavior. It takes several adult lions to take down a single Cape buffalo, and even then, there is a high risk involved, with 1 or 2 lions often injured or killed in the process. This fierce buffalo is primarily hunted by humans, as it is not a common prey for other predators due to its size and tenacity. When threatened, Cape buffalo are known for their aggressive defense strategies. They will use their massive weight, sometimes reaching up to 900 kilograms, to trample attackers underfoot, making it a risky endeavor for any predator. Their large, curved horns are not just for show. They are formidable weapons that these animals use to fend off attackers or assert dominance within their herds. Cape buffalo are highly social creatures, often found living in groups of up to 200 individuals. These herds provide safety in numbers, as they can effectively defend against predators. However, as the buffalo age and lose their reproductive capabilities, they may remain in their home ranges while the younger members migrate to find better grazing opportunities. These buffalo play a significant role in their ecosystem, helping to maintain the balance of the savanna by grazing and promoting new plant growth. Unfortunately, habitat loss and hunting pressures have threatened their populations. Conservation efforts are essential to ensure the survival of the Cape buffalo and to protect their natural habitats, as they contribute significantly to the biodiversity of their environments. By fostering a balance between human activities and wildlife conservation, we can help ensure that these magnificent animals continue to thrive in the wild.